there! In this video I wanted to give you an example of how it can be so easy and quick just to declutter one part of your home. This is actually going to be part of a little mini series on my channel where I take you through and you can declutter something quickly with me. The reason why I want to do this is because I think so many people find it so overwhelming to declutter their house, but I think if you break it down into tiny sort of bite-sized chunks, then it is definitely more manageable. And sometimes procrastinating can take longer than the actual task itself would take, so I hope this inspires you and gives you some motivation. If you're new to my channel, my name's Mel. I do a lot of decluttering, organising and some cleaning tips on my channel. I make weekly videos with a lot of tips to help you simplify your life and simplify your home so that you have more time for the things that matter to you. So if that is what you're interested in, I'd love to have you click the red subscribe button below and continue watching. So for this first video in this series, I'm tackling an area that has just been a real bugbear lately, and it doesn't matter what I seem to do, it always seems to be a mess. It's just gotten to a stage where I really need to focus on it and clean it up, but I really don't think it should take any more than about 10 or 15 minutes, and I'm actually going to time it as well to see how I do. So the area in my home that I'm talking about is in our entryway. Opposite our front door we have our IKEA shoe rack. I've got some baskets with the kids' shoes, and the intention was, the system that I set up there was to keep it quite tidy. But lately it's been a huge jumble of bags and jackets, and we've just transitioned from summer to autumn, so there's shoes that shouldn't be there and aren't being worn as much. So I just need to tidy it up, and I've been procrastinating so much, but every time I walk past it, it really bugs me. This is an IKEA shoe rack. Some Kmart baskets with the kids' shoes in them, but as you can see they're kind of overflowing. We've got jackets and bags and stuff spilling out everywhere and shoes, and it's just a mess. Oh, there's some empty cardboard boxes that I'm planning to use to declutter stuff, and this is a bag of baby clothes that I'm giving to a friend because my daughter has grown out of them, so I'm giving them to her baby. So I put those in the hallway to remind me to use them, but I should probably take the boxes away and put the bag in my car. And you see this is just a plain wall, and I do have something where I want to decorate, but I'll do that after I've cleaned up. I just want to take 5 or 10 minutes to declutter this space and give it a quick clean, and just show you how easy it is to clean up an area. If you set your mind to it, you can really get it done, and it probably won't take you as long as you think. I'll get my vacuum and my multi-purpose spray, and then I'll be ready to get into action. So guys, that took just under 10 minutes and I did give it a thorough clean as well and clean the wall and everything. So I've put Toots's bag for when we go out during the day and my bag there. They fit nicely, and I took all the jackets and things away and hats and stuff. And I do have a plan to put some hooks on the side here, and then I don't know if you can see there's a picture hook, like a nail here or screw in the wall that I've got like a picture that I bought a while ago that I'm planning to put up there. I will do that later, and then I'll post a clip here of what the finished result looks like. And then the lids on these came up baskets are a little bit warped. I'll see if my husband can bend those back into shape for me. And then I've just got all our shoes here, and I've taken away anything that is off season. And now this is my daughter's basket, and that's Bud's basket of shoes, and all the shoes that they own apart from I think Bud's soccer boots are basically in here. They don't own any more shoes than that. So that is everything that they own, and they don't need any more than that. They are missing one pair of shoes because the kids are out today. So Bud's wearing his school shoes and my daughter is wearing her sneakers that she wears to daycare. So those will go back in the basket. And then all my shoes and hubby's shoes and our slides and flip-flops there. And then these are all sort of my off-season shoes. So I've got a pair of boots, which coming into winter I'll wear them, but not so much in autumn. Like I'm probably wearing more sneakers at the moment. These shoes I think I wore to a Christmas function in December and didn't wear them again, so I'm going to put those away in my wardrobe. These thongs, I only wear those in summer, so I'm going to put those away. And these Vans, I've only worn them twice and I don't find them that comfortable. I think I want to go out and buy a pair of Converse. So I'm thinking of selling these because look, they're near new condition and I just don't wear them. I think they're a little bit wide at the back and my narrow little feet. Yeah, I've got to put all this stuff away, and then a couple of the jackets I'll hang on the wall. So I've got to put 3M hooks on the wall and let them stay up there for a few hours before I hang anything on them. So as you can see from the previous footage, it really did not take me long at all. It took me less than 10 minutes. And I probably spent more time thinking about doing it than actually doing it. And that's just such a waste of time. In the meantime, I could have been enjoying a neat and tidy area. Anyway, I hope this has given you some motivation to tackle one part of your home that you've been putting off. It could just be one box, one cupboard, one shelf. And in future videos, I'm going to declutter some more spaces in my home, and you can declutter alongside me if you like, but these are going to be like quick and easy kind of quick wins. So make sure you click on my face below and click the notification bell button so you get notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!